Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, a Wull on there, and may I say bless upon yourself first and foremost. We are going to talk about where the description of the video say. You see me? And Beenie man was also spotted after the Wull incident. Okay, opinionated peeps. Wagwan again. So we are kicking it up with Ivany. You see me? Yeah man, so me I share a video with you first and then we talk about it. Yeah people, so if you look good at Neil and Ivany that and she just want to clarify this on the media. Somebody say it look like you and Neil still the man. So she say what for stop with no my man. Tell you no say no can't stop this relationship. It well glow down. You see me? Next question. Me just show you the one them way. Yes, it confirmed. So she say that person say you and Neil gone back. That yes, she say I don't remember we leaving, and me just want to read. If you don't get me a while ago for yourself. But the thing is, you see how Jaja, it just weird how it no good for try getting a people relationship. You see the online something it mash up enough people if you're not strong. Everybody have them opinion and them something they get me. Yeah, people, so I them think that really mash up certain people if you're not strong. Isn't it the one bag of lie and propaganda spreading? Yeah, people. But anyways, guys, enough for that. Beenie man gets spotted after him faint, like drop down faint. I mother funeral, you see me? So Desha Ravers first take it to the Instagram, for talk about her father and make her know say, hey, everything where I go around, I lie not tell. Cause if you no look right there, so see them say him get spotted. She just confirmed say him good. But end of the day, the lie thing them what me I tell you about too much flagger now understand what I go on them just a spread be a propaganda. You see me? It's like as them hear something them run with it. Them not really get no good source of information. Yeah, so the man never hospitalized nor none of that guys and thing. And the greatest thing, the man is okay. But naturally, when things like that happen, people normally just, you see me, solitude themselves run a one part and see who real from fake and hear the news, you see. Yeah, people, so up next, Donna with the program, Poor People Government, back at it again. You see that man, their face, you want to see him wife, two of them.
Nice. We no kill fatten. Yes. Let me pass still already. You can come? Alright, ma'am. Why? If me never did drink no water, that come like me drink water. Yeah, good evening. Long time I don't see you, Miss Douglas. You want the suit? Lord Jesus, I'm a draft for the old man, yeah. How are you going, Miss Douglas? Long time I don't see you.
I'm here.
Husband turn upside of your trunk, same way. So it's life? What's going on with you? Any improvements? Eh? Water coming for you?
It does a soaking.
Okay.
And both sides start up over the side, over there, so.
Okay.
So replacing wet.
Yes.
But never see that happen still, but that's where you go. It's always a first. Give God thanks.
So any improvement with you?
I'm still here. I'm grateful for that.
Give God thanks. Any like any walking, any shall move around, anything?
Just do me usual as every day. Get up 3 times for the day.
Oh, so you don't have no like...
Just stand up.
No, you can't move off by yourself or so?
Hold on, Pamberan.
Oh. You couldn't do that one time?
No, sir. Make me foot in the field.
Oh.
I speak the opposite.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, as I said, I give God thanks. It could have been worse.
Yeah.
It's not getting worse, but... it's something that I stand still.
Yes,
I give God thanks, guys. It could have been worse, but
yes.
Give God thanks.
So you, Mr. Brian?
Good.
Okay.
Just taking life one day at a time.
Yes.
That's right.
I must be nervous as Sister Transparency.
I say, you take it and tell me, I'm sure.
Eh? Oh, no. Well, bless up yourself, Miss Douglas, as you know, Auntie Donna coming to our season close this evening here. This month. But me I go over in a cake season and you have been on the program over a year now, don't? 1 year and yeah.
It's not like 1 year.
Yeah, 1 year and not say you do anything or anybody do anything. Me I close the program and me I just move on next year to a new set of people. Yeah, me want to help other people. So if me have the older people them on the program, not everybody going to eventually come off one time, you know, but as it go along, me I try to graduate some of the persons then because I have done a lot for people and the program has done a lot and we can't keep going over one set of people when sorry, there's something me a belch. Sorry, other set of people out there would need any. In so much you're a good student after teaching you my cooking skill.
Thank you.
Auntie Donna, good deeds. I don't have a problem with you know. I don't never in a cascas.
I'm thankful for the help.
Yes. I want to say I graduated, Miss Douglas, you're on social media as what is the name?
Overcome Natalie Douglas.
Overcome and Natalie Douglas. So if anybody if anybody on the program wants to get in contact with you instead of coming through me because I will not be collecting anymore because I'm closing out and want to donate to you, bless you up, call you, them can contact you Overcome and Natalie Douglas on Facebook and Brian Douglas on Facebook. It is a pleasure, Miss Douglas, and you know I was so happy to come on board and assist you in whatever way that I could. And they have gotten a lot of donation, give God thanks. So, is there anything that...
very thankful for that.
Yes.
The main thing was, I wanted to find out certain things and we did.
Yes, and you get the test done and stuff.
And we meet a lot of nice people.
All right.
Yourself. Natalie and Marcia.
Yes. I'm Claudia, but she in the car.
Claudia yet.
Oh, she in the car, you know, she had the driver. So, she come out sometime, depends on where we are. But like here, she don't really know. So she wouldn't come out, yes. So is there anything that you want to tell the Plancatarians who have donated to you in the past and has brought you thus far? Any songs, anything?
Well, guess what? If it wasn't for God, this program couldn't have been possible.
Amen.
And when you guys have given to every recipient on the program, you're giving it from the goodness of your heart. Because people were touched by all of us who came on the program.
Yes.
And if you never touched by it, they couldn't have said, boy, let me give towards this, I give towards that. So guess what? A big thank you. And God bless you all. And may your store basket may never be empty. And God bless you, Auntie Donna, and your team for doing what you're doing. And continue, keep up the good work. And now watch my face, no do nothing and go through.
All right. So Ms. Douglas, you know, no graduate to give a little surfer ticket. So your surfer ticket, I'm going to give you them right now. You get a whole leaf. You get the honor roll this year, good behaving student. So to Miss Douglas and from Miss Jehovah Jireh for a good behaving student, 6,000 from Jehovah Jireh. Yes. And yes. And this for one of the most humble students, Miss Douglas from same person who love Auntie Donna, 10,000. 10,000.
Couldn't have been a better time.
Yes.
My son have online class and him have
yes.
to go on, so.
And Miss Douglas.
Good use.
Yes.
I can look a laptop for it.
And Mr. Douglas for our loving husband. From Miss from God Bless Child, 6,000. We're giving out award, you know, we're giving the graduation them too dry. We have to keep the graduation them festive. So that is your good husband who stick by his wife. Mr. Douglas again from Miss Perry. Miss Perry, 10,000. And this goes to most outstanding student in the classroom, Mr. Douglas. Most outstanding husband. I want to get some balloon next time. Yes. And Miss Douglas, most loving married couple on the program who stood by each other through. This is what you call about thick and thin in sickness and in health. So Miss Douglas, 10,000 from Miss Orlando. Clap them.
Yay.
Yes, clap them. Yes, Miss Orlando. Yes. All right. And this one says, sowing a seed in Miss Douglas' life. I love to see the way Mr. Douglas stay by her side and takes care of her God's richest blessing on them from a Birmingham, England and Majan family from Birmingham, England. And this is your honorary doctorate. And I don't know what is in it. It come like that and I hand it over. So you pull it.
Oh, God.
All right.
Let's pull it.
Gone over 10, you know. Yeah.
Gone over 10?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so. Yes. Don't know what is in there. Same way I get it.
So keep it safe.
Yes, keep it same way. Yes, I can say everything.
Guys, thank you. God bless you all. And as Auntie Donna said, well, I can't have a Facebook for like 2 weeks. My Wi-Fi just come back anyway. But guess what? We bless you all, guys, and we thank you. I appreciate you. Grateful, thankful. Love you all. It was a pleasure.
Just want to tell you thanks for your support, your warm heart,
God bless.
appreciation.
Yes.
God bless you all. Love you from the depths of our hearts. And may God continue to shine His face upon you, His light. And I hope on the soul back say never be empty.
All right.
With the glory, great things
He has done. Amen.
God
Clap
bless
them,
you all.
clap them. Congratulations. All song. Congratulations. All right, Mr. Douglas and Miss Douglas. Bless up on yourself.